Okay, this is my Midwest 4 steam engine, and Jim on the forums was asking about it, and since I've never made a video of this little engine, I figured I'd go ahead and make a video of it, show Jim, anybody else that's interested. This little engine was made by Midwest. They make several different model launches you can put this engine in. I've got the fantail too, but I haven't ever built that launch yet. Put it in hopefully one day. But as you can see, she runs quite well. She uses sterno as a fuel. This was a kit. I had to solder the boiler together and solder the block on the back of the engine and solder the rod in and several other things on it. She runs so good she's wanting to run away. But it's a neat little engine. I haven't fired it quite some time. I need to polish her up. She runs well. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.